the best ever natural cough medicine. Making this for my husband.
When he said to let there be light, it's a quantum leap. Won't get no sleep once we get on this ride. It's the midnight sun kissing under the red sky, laid on your chest like
2
this.
lemons,
Hold me
100
like the
grams
pebbles
fresh
in your
ginger,
hand, and
50
dishes
grams
in the
fresh
sand.
turmeric,
Yeah,
1/3
summer
cup
isn't
new
over
head,
yet.
black seed oil,
Skinny
3
creeping with
ppl
your
SEMS
heart out.
pure
It's my
maple
favorite
syrup.
part. Now we ain't gotta tell no one.